In this video, we will show you how to install MySQL in Ubuntu. In here, I'm using Amazon-like style to install MySQL on Ubuntu operating system. It's not different to install MySQL on Ubuntu in the desktop version or in the command prompt version. To install MySQL in Ubuntu, in here, I will connect into my command prompt. Then in here, I will using SSH because I'm using Amazon Lifestyle. Okay, I want to log in as super user. So I type super user or SU and I type the password. First, before you install the MySQL, it's very important to update the package using sudo apt update. After you update the apt or repository, in here, we will execute command how to install MySQL in Ubuntu. But in here, we need to wait until this process is done. Okay, you can see 127 packages can be upgraded. We can run apt list that's just upgradable to see them. But we can skip this. Let's just install MySQL. Sudo apt get install MySQL server. And this is the command. Hit the enter. If the package is unable to locate, we can dash sudo apt upgrade. We can click yes. Then the packages will upgrade it here. We need to wait until this process is done. After the upgraded packages is done, we can try to repeat our command before, but I want to clear the screen. We can using above arrow sudo apt get install MySQL server. We can hit the enter. If this command is not work, we can try to using sudo apt install MySQL server. Okay, apt-get is not working in this version of Ubuntu. I'm using 22 version of Ubuntu. Type Y in here and hit the enter. This is the process, the MySQL server install. We need to wait for this process until it's done. And after this process is done, we can check with some command to check is MySQL is already installed or not. And also we can check the MySQL version here. Okay, we can hit the enter and we can just click OK in here. We need to clear and let's check with using MySQL dash version like this. Okay, the MySQL version is 8.0.33. Okay, and to using MySQL, you can using MySQL-u root, and using this command we can using our root password. Okay, in here we can using command show databases to see database available on our MySQL. You can see there is information underscore schema, MySQL, performance schema, and sys databases. How to create databases? We can just using this command create database with database name. For example, db where data here. And we can hit the enter. I'm sorry. We can not using double quotes and query OK. We can show databases again. And you can see there. DB where data is available, and we can use this database to creating table. We can just use and directly with database name. Don't using quotes or double quotes here. Okay. Then we can show tables because we don't have tables, so we don't have yet in here this empty. And to exit from MySQL, we can using exit command here. And that's all how to install MySQL in Ubuntu. Hope this video helpful for you.